So, students, today we will be solving exercise of the chapter Force, Work and Energy. Basically, we will be solving MCQs, that is, tick the correct answers, then short answers and long answers from this chapter, which is chapter number 10 from Living Science textbook. So, starting with the first question, that is tick the correct answer. The sub question is, a moving body slows down or stops on its own due to this force. And what are the options? The first option is gravitational force, second is elastic force, third is mechanical force, and fourth is frictional force. So what do you think is the correct answer? A moving body slows down or stops due to frictional force. So here you might be seeing two people who are making use of friction to create fire. Okay, so when body moves and after some time it slows down or stops, the reason behind it is frictional force. Let us move on to the next question. This is used to open leads. The option is pulley, lever, wheel and axle, inclined plane. So what do we use to open leads? We use levers to open the lead. By the way, over here you can see a plier. Of course, it is not used to open leads, but for other electrical work we use pliers. Okay, so to open leads we use what kind of machine? We use lever. Okay, and lever is a type of simple machine. Okay, and this is the tool that I was talking about, the lead opener. Well, let us see the next question, which is the third one. Tools make our work hard, easy, soft, or complex. So, what do you think is the correct answer? Obviously, tools make our work easy. So, the correct answer is B, that is easy. For example, you can take scissor. If scissor was not invented, for example, then just imagine how difficult it is to cut the paper in a particular shape. So scissor makes our work easy, and so B is the correct option. The next question is question number 4. This energy comes from the splitting of an atom. The options are atomic, solar, geothermal, wind. So which energy comes from splitting of an atom? The obvious answer for this is atomic. So generally when atoms split, it liberates energy. It gives out energy which is called as atomic energy. So atomic, option A is the correct answer. Let us see next question. Fifth one, in electronic motors, electrical energy is changed into this energy. The options are mechanical, solar, wind or atomic. Well, in electronic motors, electrical energy is changed into mechanical energy. So option A is the correct answer, mechanical energy. Well, let us see the next question, which is the short answer question. And the first question in that list is, name 5 different sources of energy. The answer is quite simple. Following are different sources of energy. You will write solar energy, then atomic energy. You can write geothermal energy, wind energy, water energy. Okay, water energy can also be called as hydro energy because hydro and water are same words. So these are the some sources of energy. So I will repeat what you are going to write. Following are the different sources of energy: solar energy, atomic energy, geothermal energy, wind energy and water energy. So the second question is, write the names of the force exerted by the muscles of our body. The answer is simple. The answer is muscular force. Then second question, what is gravitational force? Here you will write the force by which earth pulls an object towards itself is called gravitational force. Now students, remember that not only earth exerts a gravitational force, but other planets also exert their gravitational force. They have their own gravity. So it's not like gravitational force exists only on earth. On every heavenly body, it can be a planet, it can be a satellite, it can be a sun. They have their own gravitational force. So Earth is just an example given over here. Fourth question, what are simple machines? Here you will write simple machines are tools we use to help make work easier. Fifth question, name 5 simple machines. Very easy. You will write inclined plane, wheel and axle, pulley, screw, wedge and lever are different types of simple machines. Now students, let us come to long answer questions. Okay. So first question is, what are the different forms of energy into which solar energy can be changed? Here you will write the solar energy can be changed into heat energy, light energy, electrical energy. So these are the different energies which can be obtained from the solar energy. Let us move on to the next question. The next question is, write a short note on atomic energy. Here you will write an atom is the smallest particle of matter. This is how you have to start. What you will write? An atom is the smallest particle of matter. Next point you will write atomic energy comes from splitting of an atom. And then you will write atomic energy should be used for mankind. A very important point, because it can be used for devastation purpose also, which is not good because it is hazardous to life and property. Okay, so it should be used for the betterment of a mankind. Then you can write, for example, it can be used for producing electricity. A very good use of atomic energy is it can be used for producing electricity. So in this way you can write point by point a note on atomic energy. Let us see next question, which is, what is geothermal energy? Here you will write, the hot interior of the earth is another important source of energy. This energy is called geothermal energy. Students, you all know that the core of the earth is a hot molten magma. Okay, and this heat of the magma can be used for different purposes. Okay, and this energy is called as geothermal energy. So the question fourth is, how do simple machines help us? Here you will write, simple machine help us to do our work faster with less efforts, change the direction of force used, and do work with less force. So these are the 3 points that you can mention for the simple machines, how they help us. I will repeat, simple machines help us to do our work faster with less efforts, change the direction of force used, and do our work with less force. Instead of force you can write efforts also, do work with less effort. Okay. Then fifth question, write 2 machines being used at home in which one form of energy is changed into another. Here you can write, following are the couple of machines used at home in which one form of energy is changed into another. Then you have to write light bulb. You can mention light bulb because it converts electrical energy into light energy. Also you can mention fan, which converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. So these 2 machines are enough to give the examples how one energy can be converted into another energy. Okay students, so that was all from my side. We have solved the exercise of the chapter 4's work and energy. I hope it will be useful to you. Okay, if you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. You can put your comments in comment box. See you during next session with the new topic. Until then, take care. Bye bye.